Hello students. In school we had started lesson number 15, that is the statistics, and lesson number 14 we kept it, means for after statistics we are going to take that lesson, and this is the lesson number 15. Inside it also we have completed the half part of the lesson, that is the how to find out the average of the numbers. So how I told you that we have completed, but those students who were absent on that day, for them just I'm going to repeat. Okay, so here to find out the average, this example I will take for understanding. So here it is one girl. What is her name? It is given Asmita. Okay, Asmita is given in the picture, and every day she is riding a bicycle. Okay, and that how much time she is riding, that is given from Monday to Saturday is given. Monday she ride it 20 minutes, Tuesday 20 minutes, Wednesday 22 minutes, Thursday 18 minutes, Friday 18 minutes, and Saturday 20 minutes she ride the bicycle. Now we have to find out in a week how average cycling she had done. So for that what we have to do? For that the formula is that average is equal to sum of numbers in minute taken by the cycle to the school in each days. So here it is the timing, it's a sum we have to do, means 20 plus 20 plus 22 plus 18 plus 18 plus 20. These all addition we had done it here. Okay, and we have to divide it with the number of days. So how many days she ride the bicycle, came with this school with bicycle? 6 days. So here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, this 6 day she came by the bicycle. So it's first here it is the addition of the time, 20 plus 20 plus 22 plus 18 plus 18 and plus 20 is its sum is equal to 180. And how many days are there? 6 days are there. So here it is 6. If you divide 180 into the 6, I told you how to convert it into the integer form. One there also I will explain you how to convert it. Here we have to take 118, and here you have to divide with this 6. So 6 I will write here. 6 ones are 6. If you do the subtraction, 11 minus 6 is equals to how much? 5. Here it is 8 we have to note down. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54. 54. So here it is, how much is the answer? That is 4 is left. So here this 19 is there, we have to write in front of this fraction, and then here it is remainder 4 that we have to write above the, means at the position of numerator, and this divide we have to write here. But this 4 and 6 are divisible by 2, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So 19 integer 2 upon 3 is its answer. Otherwise one more method is that you just here only divide with the 2, because both numbers are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 1 remain, 2 9s are 18. Now divide 59 with the 3. So here 59 you have to divide with this 3. So 3 ones are 3. If you subtract 9 and 29, and 3 9s are 27, and remainder is the 2. So just now I told you this divisor we have to write here, then the remainder we have to, quotient we have to write in front of the fraction, remainder we have to write at numerator position, and the number we are dividing, that we have to write here downside. In this way we are finding the what? The average, means sum of numbers divided by total numbers we have to do, then we are getting its answer. Here one more example is given. Here it is, we took already in the school, then also for revision purpose I am taking this all distance addition we have to do here. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 and the 6. Here also 6 are there. So this sum, all this 950 if you see here, then the second number 800, third number 700, fourth number is 1500, means kilometers converted we have to do into the meter. 1 kilometer means 1750 meters. These all addition you have to divide with the 60, you will get the required average of the distance. So that we had already seen. Here it is activity given, that also we solve in the school, and after that I told you to solve the practice set number 54. So this is the revision that we have already taken. This I took for the students, those who were absent on that day. Okay, and those who were absent, those who have to solve this 54th exercise also. And the next part today we are taking, that is the making frequency table. That also we already completed in our school. So in this example, the distance in which some children live from their school is given below in the kilometer. So here 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. This is distance given. In average inside, here it is some numbers are different, and these less numbers are there. But if you see here, such a type of data is given to us. Okay, and if it is more than, means it is more. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means so many numbers are there, and if you done that find the average in above method, then it will be difficult for us. And for that purpose, the another method that we are using, that is the frequency distribution table we are making for what? Getting answer. Here it is given, making frequency table and given information and the data. So this information is called as a given information or the data. By using this information, we have to make a frequency table, and how to make that also I will take the revision. So first of all, here what is given? The score. These points, these numbers are called as a score. So first box inside we have to write the scores. The second box is the tally marks. So here it is, tally marks are given. Tally marks means these lines we have to give. I told you how to do this. I will tell you or told in the school, and then also I will repeat it here. And next it is the frequency, means it's totaling we have to do here. So first box inside score. So how to give this marks? That will, first of all, from this, which is the smallest number we have to find out, and which is the greatest one. So which is smallest? 1 is the smallest one. And which is the greater one? 6 is the greater one. It is given in the last. The meaning of it is not that it is greater one. Okay, but if you see the data, you will notice that 6 is the greater number. So score inside what we have to write? We have to write the numbers 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, as I told you in the school how to find it, that I will explain you. So here, suppose I will show you how to give this. Just these marks are not here, you just imagine in that way. Okay, I will show you how to give the tally marks. So the first number is, which is these marks are not here, we will draw here our, we will use this table, but marks we will draw ourselves. So here 1. So 1, just cut, use pencil 1. So 1 inside you give the mark. Cut 3, then say 3 inside. Here it is 3. 3 inside you have to give the 1 tally mark. Then again 2, so 2 inside. Then 4, cut 4, 4 inside, 1 line we have to give. 5, 5 inside, give 1 mark. Then 4, then 4 where it is? Here it is. So give the tally mark in this. Then 1, the next it is 3, next it is 4, next 5, 6, then 4, again it came 4, then 6, now again came 4. Now the new thing that we have to do inside it, that next line we are not going to give here, because the 4 lines over, then we have to make a 5's bunch. So this 5th line is there, we have to give in this way, this line. The meaning of it is that it is a bunch of 5, and again if 4 will come, then we have to give again marks. We have to make again 5's bunch we have to make. And now last it is the 6. Okay, so how many tally mark lines are there in the first? You will notice that here how many are there? 2. So 2 is written here. 1 line is there, 1, 1, 2, 2 lines. Here it is 5, 2 and 3. These are tally marks, and the frequency is given in this way. We have to make a frequency table by using the data. Here it is raw data or given information using this. And then next point is this how to make it, I will explain you. Now we have to do the addition of this. So here 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 2 12 plus 3 15, and this is the total frequency. In this way, the how to make the frequency table, that also we seen in our last in school. Now here it is, the girl is there, it is activities girl, that is Priya. She is sitting with her mother, and her mother, what she is doing, she is cleaning the peas. Okay, so how many peas are there in one pod? Its record she had done it here. Okay, so here if you see, the smallest number is the 2 and the greatest one is the 7. So frequency table inside 2 to 7 numbers are written here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 may be was, yes, here 8 is here, yes, sorry. Now as I told you, same thing we have to do. We have to cut a number from here and we have to give the 4. So here 4 insides first mark will come, 3, then 3 insides first mark will come, 2 insides first mark. So in this way we have to cut the number and give the tally mark in the tally marks box. Score number of, here it is, number of peas in the pod is the first column, tally marks and the frequency is. Now here if you see, the 4 over then 5th line is given in this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this way 5 5 bunch we have to make, okay, for easy calculation. So if you see here, the total it is how much given, that is the, here it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 10, 15, then 5, 10 and 12. Next it is the 2, then 5 plus 2, 7. Here it is 3 and here it is how much? 3. It is in this way we have to complete this activity. Then you will understand and make a frequency table. And total frequency is equal to how much? Now it is here, that is the 50. If you done the addition of this, you will get its answer is how much? 50. That peas pods are there. She opened and she done this data in this table. Okay. Now here that also we seen the discussion, and I told you to solve the practice set number 55. And now where we came, that is the, means that only, that much only lesson was there. In revision type I took the lesson. Okay, so you have to complete this lesson number 15, that is the statistics. First part, that is the how to find out the average, and after that you have to complete the how to make the frequency table by using the data given below, and then we have to complete the frequency tables, and we have to complete the practice set 55 and 54. Both you have to solve for the as a homework. Then we will see tomorrow, we will start the last lesson of our textbook, that is the algebraic expression. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.